guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marie and I'm so glad that you clicked on today's video. Today I have something very exciting to show you, and that is my new purse. Here I have the 2000 Re-Edition Prada purse in the color black, and I am absolutely obsessed, but today I will be giving you my review on this purse, so I won't say too much now. I will also be sharing with you what I have in my purse. That being said, I'll show you how much you can actually fit into this purse. And I'll also show you the different things that I do carry depending on the occasion that I'm going to. We have a lot to discuss today, so let's just get into it right away. If you do like today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. It will really help my channel out a lot. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned to all my future videos. I do post every Monday at 12 p.m. EST. Now, without further ado, let's just get right into it. So here is the bag completely empty. I love the material. It is this nylon material, and before purchasing this bag, I read so many reviews on it, of course, to really, before pulling the plug and getting it, I wanted to make sure that this would be a good investment piece. What I love about this bag is that it can be worn in both casual settings, but also more fancy settings. Of course, I wouldn't wear this purse, you know, to a wedding, but if I'm going out for a cute lunch, even if it's not a super casual lunch and you have to be a little bit dressed up, this purse would match perfectly for that. So what I love is in the reviews, they said how this is a purse that you can just throw around and it won't get ruined. And that is something that I definitely need. I am always on the go, getting in and out of my car. So if I can just, I obviously won't throw this. I don't think I would actually do that, but people have said that they do throw it around and that it never ruins. So that is something I really liked. Obviously, we can't hide the fact that this purse has been super trendy in the last year. I was debating getting it in case, you know, the trend was over, but honestly, I love it so much that even if a new bag decides to become so trendy in the next couple weeks, I won't feel like I was too late purchasing this because I honestly love it so much. I also like how this is black and silver hardware. Most of the hardware that I own, not most, I mean all the hardware on all my purses are gold. So I like the fact that this is silver, so I can start wearing, you know, more silver jewelry. It has a good handle that I like. It's nice and sturdy. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say about the bag. Last thing I can say is that the zipper is really good. It has never gotten stuck on me. You can definitely tell that this is very good quality. There's this little tag here that shows that it is the Prada Re-Edition 2000, and honestly I kept it here. I think it's cute. You can definitely take it out if you'd like, but I kind of like it there. Now let's get into what I have in my purse. So the first thing I guess I'll show you is my wallet. This wallet is from Kate Spade and I got it a couple years ago for Christmas, and I do really love it. It holds all of my cards, and I do have quite a few because of different gift cards that I have, or even different points cards that I have to certain stores. So I love that it holds everything very well, although I am looking to purchase a designer wallet. So I need your guys' help. Which one should I get? I really don't know where to start. I mean, obviously there's so many that are, you know, are so beautiful, but if I really had to pick one wallet, which wallet should it be? Something I want to show you guys that is very special about my wallet is that I always keep a little citrine crystal in the little pocket here that carries change. This type of crystal is great for manifesting abundance and money in your life. So it's always great just to keep a little one in your wallet to attract more money. That's it for my wallet. Next, of course, is it really 2022 if you don't have a hand sanitizer in your purse? I'll be honest with you guys, before this whole pandemic even started, I always had hand sanitizer in my purse, in my car, just really never too far away. I am glad that now many more people are carrying it with them, but honestly, even when all of this is over, this is something that should always be in your purse. Usually I have a Bath & Body Works one, but I did run out. I have to go back to that store and get some. This is just a simple brand, really nothing special. Just, you need a hand sanitizer. if you're looking for a new one, I definitely recommend the Bath & Body Works ones. Next, we have this little travel size container of Tylenol. I rarely have headaches, thank goodness, but when they hit, and I need a Tylenol right away. I used to be that person that would always fight it off and say, you know, just tough it out, I don't need it, I don't want to take any medications. But honestly, I get them so rarely that when it hits, I just take a Tylenol and it goes away right away. So I always carry this with me. Next, we have 2 lip products here. So first, I always have a Burt's Bees lip balm with me. I am not kidding, I own about 5 of these. I have one obviously in my purse. When I was going to school, I had one in my school bag. I have one near my bedstand. I have one here on my desk. I have one in my car. I have these spread out everywhere because I am constantly putting lip balm on my lips. I hate the feeling of having chapped lips. I always like them to be nice and hydrated. So I have these everywhere. I have tried so many lip balms in my life, and this is definitely the best one. And I've also tried more expensive lip balms, like the Summer Fridays one, which is like more than quadruple the price of this. And this is just the best. There is nothing that beats Burt's Bees lip balm. The second lip product I have is new. I just got this for Christmas. It is the Merit lip oil in the shade Au Naturel. My bestie got this for me. Cassie, if you're watching this, I love you. But basically, I love it. It is super pretty and lightweight on the lips. It keeps them moisturized, but it also has a little tint to them. But I definitely love this. If you are looking for a new lip product, I definitely recommend the Merit lip oil. Only 2 more things to show you. So of course, the next thing I have are my AirPods. Now, I used to never carry this in my purse, and I only started recently because I noticed that there were so many times where, let's say you're waiting in line to go do something, and I mean, it's a long line. You could definitely pop on these AirPods and start listening to a podcast, or I like to listen to books on Audible. Or even if you're out doing errands, doing groceries, and you're alone, you can definitely be listening to a book or podcast once again while you're doing these errands. Finally, the last thing is gum. The last thing is gum. My favorite is the XL White. Do I really think these whiten my teeth? No. But I still just keep buying this one. I don't know. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. I'm not sure, but I keep buying them. And there you have it. Now, I also wanted to show you that I rarely put my phone in my purse, but on the rare occasions that I do, I just want to show you how everything that I have put so far, plus my phone, everything still fits. And there you have it. I didn't even need to squeeze or tug on the zipper. It all fits really well. I am completely obsessed with this purse. I just thought of that TikTok trend going on. I'm obsessed.
I don't think you understand. I'm obsessed.
Which, by the way, are you following me on TikTok? Make sure to follow me at Marie Claude Donato. I will have the link down below in my description box, as well as all my other social platforms. Back to the purse. Here is everything filled literally to the top. There is still some room in here. If I don't have my car keys with me right now. They are downstairs in the entrance, but if I wanted to put my car keys in here, they would fit as well. Now let's get into the part of, you know, using this for different occasions. Obviously, everything I just showed you is for an everyday. Every single day, this is everything that I need. When it comes to, let's say, going out for a nice lunch or a nice supper, or just fancier occasions where I don't necessarily want a purse that is heavy and just too stuffed, I would definitely just keep my wallet, my lipstick that I am wearing, definitely my hand sanitizer, never go anywhere without that, and maybe a pair of sunglasses. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you want to see any other designer hauls, and of course, don't forget to let me know your suggestions on which designer wallet I should get. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe. That's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll just catch you in the next one. Bye!